Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand dishwasher and it's popping up with a Sterile Tub Alert on the washing machine. And if it's giving you this, this basically means that the washing machine needs to be cleaned. Now this doesn't mean your washing machine is dirty, because this alert will come up every certain number. I think it's 40 cycles. Every time you do 40 cycles, then you'll do this. So all you need to do to deal with this is just on it there. If you look on your washing machine, the selection of programs, you have different programs, and one of them is a self-cleaning program. So all you need to do, if you get this, the Sterile Tub Alert, is to just run the self-cleaning cycle. Now, this is not urgent. You should actually be able to use the washing machine while it has this alert. But you want to do this as soon as possible. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.